In the center now is Mansuelo and Timao. First up is for Camaro side. Here's Mansuelo. Peng Peng. First 2-point basket for Team Camaro side. 9 minutes and 48 seconds is the remaining time. Also 2 points for JSC. Here is now Sylvia. Gandang laban po. Kapakaroon ng JSC. Napaka-powerful ng piece. Travel operation na gamit tinawag yung Flores ang entrance fee. No open gate. Here is now Bantang. Bibigay kay Pablo. Ay, Mansuelo, rather. Here is Pablo. 2-1. Bibigyan kay Sylvia. Peng Peng. 8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Alvarez, number 15, is battled by Mansuelo. Alvarez bibigay kay Anipan Macwell. Wala. 10 seconds shot clock. Peng Peng.
Hindi kaya, basa.
Here is again for Team Camarón. All four on the score. Here is now Bantang. Bibigyan kay Mansuelo. Ay! 10 second shot clock. Bantang. Chung chak. Ay, wala. Here is Macwell. Chung chak. Peng Peng. Chance again of Team Camarón. Here is the Bantang, number 74, 14 second shot clock. Bibigay kay Sylvia. Nasa ilalim si Mansuelo. Chung chak. Peng Peng. 7 minutes and 34 seconds. So remaining time for the first quarter. All 6 is out for. Here is El Alvarez of Team JSC. 14 second shot clock. And mga kaibigan, Bantang. Abot ni Bantang ang pasang iyo. Okay, balik sa ang bola sa JSC. Here is now Alvarez, number 15. Bibigyan ng speed. Galabat tumira si Hanja. 1 litro ka na. Peng Peng. 7 minutes is now remaining time. The first quarter, ganun kabilis ang ating oras. Here is now Maestro. Bibigyan kay Anipan Macwell. Chucha! Habulay Alvarez, second recover by okay, chance. Here is Pablo. Pablo, number 24. Hey! Chucha! Wala. Alvarez. 4-3. Wala. And the rebound by Bantang, number 74. Bantang down. Napasok si Bantang, bibigay kay Baliguan. Ay! Kasiguan ni Anipan. 6 minutes is the remaining time. 3 minuto na ang Anipan sa mga rather 4 minuto. And there is now Alvarez again on the JSC. Alvarez ang Rams kay Bantang, bibigay kay Maestro. Anipan, Chung chak. Peng Peng. Here is now Mansuelo. Chung chak. Peng Peng. 5 minutes and 32 seconds remaining time. All 8 is our score. And this time JSC ang ball position. Alvarez, number 15. Bibigyan kay Timao, jersey number 10. 14 second shot clock. Anipan, bibigyan kay corner. That is Maestro. Tumira, long for 2. Long basket. Rebound by Baliguan of Team Camarón. Ay! Baliguan Mansuelo. 2 Bantang. Chung chak. Walang Peng Peng. Ito na naman si Maestro na naman. JSC. Puporma po. May pang kay Mansuelo. That is jersey number 43. And that is the first personal foul Mansuelo. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Wala basket sa unang free throw in that answer. Number 18 of the JSC. Okay, basket. 9-8 ang ating score. Isa lamang ang kalamangan ng JSC sa ating first quarter. Meron pa tayo 4 minutes and 45 seconds to make time. Shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Here is now Manzuelo. Bibigyan nyo on the side of the corner. That is Bantang. Bibigyan nyo yung buwan na walang pantay. Kaya nasikwat ang dalawang puntos. 10-9 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. So remaining time, Alvarez again. To Alvarez, number 15. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. We have a foul. Patay, number 74. And that is Bantang. First, Babang Rosan. Only 12 seconds shot clock. 10. Tira sa set. Wale. Still, makakuha ng Suelo. There is no Manzuelo. Arrives and battled by others. Sevilla, Chucha, bang bang. 3 minutes and 52 seconds is the remaining time. 12-9 is our score. That is a 3-point lead again of Cabang Rosan. Shot clock, 40 seconds to shoot. Alvarez, bibigyan kay Timaho. Chucha, walang bang bang. LC, Banta, number 74, represented by Hacha. Bibigay sa ilalim kay Pablo. Chucha, bang bang. JSC. Remaining time for the first quarter, ladies and gentlemen, it's only 3 minutes and 22 seconds. But this time, the ball possession is for the JSC. Where is Alvarez? Napawis. Alvarez, Saba. It's now 10 seconds to shoot. Chucha! Wow, bang bang. Chance ball. Here is Alvarez. Chucha. Wow. There is, at 10 seconds shot clock. Saba Malaysia. Big basket. Long for 2. 14-11, tatlo na lang kamaan ng team Cabang Rosan. There is now Gary Manzuelo. 14 seconds shot clock. Bibigyan. We have a substitution. Okay. Bira. Last touchdown si Bisoy. 30 seconds. Okay, right now, guys, our first quarter, 2 minutes, it's already got 5 seconds. Okay, bola Cabang Rosan. Sapin, bibigay kay Manzuelo. Only 1 minute and 52 seconds to make time finish the first quarter. 14 is the score, 3-point. Sean, bibigay kay Pablo. The basket. Last set is Macwa. 12, also known as Union. 10 seconds shot clock. Sean. Go Sean. There is. Nagagawa na ba sa now sa Malaysia. Pupunta Indonesia. Chucha. Walang teka. Yes, that's it. Number 15. 14-13, still 1-point lead of Team Cabang Rosan. Bibigay kay Pablo. Back to Sapin, 10 seconds. To be the rest one. Ball they tawag kay number 17. That is Sapin. Pushing fouls, the nature of foul committed by Sapin. First falls Cabang Rosan. 58 seconds of the return Euros now again. Alvarez now number 15. 14-second shot clock. Sabah Malaysia. Nakapalakas. Still by Hajjat to Sabah. No basket. Same ball now, eyeing the red floors. Shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. JSC. Hers now. Nice. 8 seconds. Last ball, 5. Back to Chance Mansuelo of Cabarrosa. Still by Sabah. No shot clock, 18 seconds, waiting time. Mansuelo, last 13 seconds. South Malaysia, last 8 seconds. Come on, Sean, to the bar. Mansuelo, Chumcha, back down. And that is one there, about fourth score for the match of Cabarrosa and JSC.